Hello everyone! Today we're looking at this diagraph, and this diagraph here has two letters that make one sound. Can you remember what that's called? That's right, it's a digraph, and this digraph is the oi sound. What two letters make the oi sound? That's right, o and I make the oi sound. Can you say the oi sound? Super! I've got some words on the board and they have the oi sound in them. We're going to try to read them, but first let's find the oi sound. Remember, we're looking for o and I together. Can you find them in this word? That's right, they're here. What about in this word? Well done, they're here. And what about in this word? Super, it's here. Now let's try to read them. We'll do the first one together and then you can do the other two. Let's sound it out. B, oi, l. Let's go a little bit faster. B, oil. Boil. You might boil the water in a pan. Now let's see if you can read this one. A little bit faster. What is that word? Coin. Let's sound it out to check. K, oi, n. Coin. You might have a coin to go to the shop. Let's have a look at the next word. See if you can read this one. Let's have a go together. J, oi, n. Can you say that word? Join. Well done. You might join your friends in a circle. Now, I've got a challenge for you. You're going to need a piece of paper and pencil. So pause the video and come back with a piece of paper and a pencil. Have you got your piece of paper and your pencil? Right, now on the screen there's going to be a picture, and next to the picture is a phoneme frame. See if you can write the word to match the picture in the phoneme frames. Off you go! How did you get on? Did you get those right? Well done if you did. That was super work. Now I've got another one for you. Your next challenge is to see if you can find the caption that matches the picture. So there is a picture and you have to read both captions to see which one matches. Have a look. Did you see the caption? Did you match it to the right one? It was a picture of a pan with boiling water in it. So the caption was, "The pan will boil." The next picture was a picture of someone putting some seeds in the soil. Did you match it to the right caption? Your caption should have said, "Put the seeds in the soil." Did you get both of those right? Well done if you did. That was a very hard challenge. Now, see if you can play this game at home. This game is called Naughts and Crosses, and you're going to need a grid, just like this one. You might need an adult to help you with this. Inside your grid, you need to write words with the oi sound, just like this one here. You might write the words yourself, or you might ask an adult to help you. Now, I'm sure you've played Naughts and Crosses before, but this game is just a little bit different. Before you put your naught or your cross in the place, you have to read the word first. See if you can have a go at home. Have fun! Come back tomorrow for the next sound. Bye!